Keyboard shortcuts are the fastest way to get around services, and they are built into tons of places. Let me show you my favorite ones. So, number one is the /key. That's right underneath the question mark. If you hit that from anywhere, it's going to open up this global search where you can search for people. You can search for songs. You can search for teams. Whatever you search for, you can find, use the arrows, and you can navigate right to that page. Now, depending on what page you're on, it has its own shortcuts. So I'm on the plans page, and I'm going to actually hit the question mark key on my keyboard, and that is going to bring up all of the keyboard shortcuts that are available on this page, and there's a lot. So let me just show you some of them. If you want to add an item to your service order, hover over something and hit I on your keyboard. Brand new item right there. If you want to add a song, S for song, and that's going to add a new song. H for header, M for media. You can do, let's see, you can do E to email people. You can do P for print. You can do so many things. One of my favorite ones is actually R for rehearse. That is going to open up the media player and instantly start you listening to whatever it is in your set list. And the media player has its own shortcut keys. So as you're playing through something on here, you can use the left and right arrow keys, and that's going to go 5 seconds forward or backwards. You can use the up and down arrow keys, and that's going to adjust your volume up or down there. And you can use the space bar to stop or start the media player. Another fun shortcut built into this is you can jump directly to a song's arrangement by holding down the Option key while you click on this little blue key, and it will take you directly into that song arrangement. Now, when you're on this song arrangement page, you can hit the question mark and see what shortcuts are available from here. You've got download, edit, transpose, play, view, delete. Delete is one of the ones you're going to want to take advantage of because this is available almost everywhere throughout services. So if you've got a whole bunch of files here and you're like, I don't want to have to click the pencil and delete each one individually, you can hover over a file, type X on your keyboard, and it will give you a shortcut to delete it.